In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Telegram app for your Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful for you, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store and then tap on it to open. Now you land on this home page. You can go ahead and tap on search here or use the search function here. Just type in Telegram. Go ahead and tap on this icon to search, and here is our Telegram app. Now if you tap on it, you'll see at the time of recording this, it had over 15 million reviews with a star rating of 3.6. The app is currently around 31 MBs with over 1 billion downloads, and you can see the company is Telegram FL LLC. That is the company for this app, and here is the logo. To get it, go ahead and tap on install. And just go ahead and download Telegram app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can go ahead and open it from here. Or if you go back to your apps, now you should be able to see your Telegram app. Go ahead and sign in using your phone number to start using the app. So that's how you can install Telegram app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.